Hey everyone, it's me Faisal Jaman. Today's video will be how you can download free plugin. That is, if I go to my website and if I go to this post section, and here you can see some of plugin. All are plugin are free. If you need Woodmart theme and Woodmart theme are completely download. You can download the Woodmart theme for free. Just click the Woodmart theme for free theme, and it will take you just scroll down the button and scroll down this page, and as you can see, this is the download here button, and it will take 15 seconds, and you just wait for 15 seconds and it will automatically redirect to this download now page. And in the meantime, if you are not joined my Facebook group, you just going to my contact me page, and here you get the button that is join now Facebook group. You will just land to my Facebook group, and it will you just join to my Facebook group. If you need any extra plugin or theme that already not been exist in my website, you just contact with me on this group. Okay, so this is the last step, and you just click this button, and it will take 15 seconds. This is the final step. Don't worry, I don't take another step. And now right now, if you see and some of ad is open, you just click you just cross the ad. So don't worry, you just skip the ad. So already been downloaded. This is the Woodmart theme. As you can see, this is the Woodmart theme is downloading. It's already been downloaded. So if you think actually this video is very helpful, so you just contact with me on Facebook group. Like if I go to this group and just click join group, and if you think any WordPress theme and plugin and Elementor template kit support, and I will provide you on free, so don't worry about it. And if you think any plugin or theme license key, so if you think that is Woodmart theme license, and I will provide Woodmart theme license. So it's I will need some of money for you from you. That would be very cheap. Don't worry, you just directly contact with me on my WhatsApp. So just going to my contact now button, and here as you can see, this is a WhatsApp button, and it will automatically, just if I click this button, and it will automatically contact with me on WhatsApp, and you can directly contact with me on Facebook group. So and you can directly contact with my email and phone number. So don't worry, all are access for you, and you just contact with me, and I will just trying to help you. So don't worry, you just contact with me. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video.